Usapan natin ang come and see. Come and see, that's inviting like Jesus. And we talk about seeking Jesus, seekers. So kining upat ka buok lingkuranan, naghisgot ni sa imuhang status diha sa Ginoo. Naghisgot ni diha ang imuhang commitment diha sa Ginoo. And we all start as a seeker. No? Kitang tanan na yung mga pagkinahanglan na atay ginasik kang Lord, and only God can truly satisfy us. Pero dili ka pwede magpabilin dinhi. Because the more you know Jesus, the more you're going to have that heart to follow Jesus. You become a follower. You're no longer a seeker because the seeking is over. Amen? The search is over. Hindi ka na maghahanap ng iba pa. Christ is enough. Nahimo na ng kinabuhi sa imuha. And right now, the search is over. Tapos na yon, wala ka na doon sa search na yon. So, ikumpara nimo si Jesus, imong trabaho, si Jesus. Si Jesus, ang imuhang mga promotion, si Jesus. Kay naaman sa iyahatanan. Naa sa iyahatanan. So now, your heart is fixed, your heart is already decided, I'm gonna follow Jesus. I'm gonna follow Him, I'm gonna believe Him. His principle, His practices, the person of Jesus. I'm gonna be a follower of Jesus. Miski asa siya mo adto sundon ako sa misking lugar, miski asang lugar yang adtuan, I will be His follower. And next week, after you become a follower, now you become part of the mission, His work. You become a worker. The heart is gonna be formed in you. The character is gonna be forming you. So next week, we're gonna talk about serving and sharing Jesus. Today, we're gonna talk about come and follow. But next week, we're going to talk about serving and sharing Jesus, the heart to serve. And finally, just like Jesus, you become a disciple maker. So nakita nimo na ay promotion ang imong pagpangalagad sa Ginoo. Kung sa school, from grade 1 to grade 2, high school, college, and then sa imong work, nahimo lang kang clerk lang, nahimo kang manager, nahimo kang supervisor, the same is true with your walk in the Lord, na ay promotion. So asa namang kadiri karon? Asa namang kadiri karon? So I'm trying to help you out through this series nga from being a seeker, right now we become a follower. And all of a sudden, we become a worker of the Lord. And just like Jesus, we become a disciple maker. Amen?